Hello everyone, my name is Kennedy and the artist I have been researching more on is Mendieta. This first slide is going to be about some background. So she was born in Havana, Cuba on November 18th, 1948. At the age of 12, she unfortunately was separated from her family and was sent to an orphanage in Dubuque, Iowa. There, when she was of age, she attended Iowa University, where she first started to study art and painting. After she graduated, she realized it wasn't for her and decided to go back to school and learn more about image taking. The reason why she made the change was because she felt like by using images and turning them into art, it had more of a powerful meaning. Okay, so this next slide is on untitled glass on body imprints face. After Mendieta changed her major, this was her first piece. She took a piece of glass and pressed it all against her body while taking pictures. She took these pictures in a manner of not how she sees herself, but how others view her and how they draw conclusions about her identity. The next slide is on untitled facial cosmetic variations. This was her second piece she ever created. Mendieta used makeup, sheer nylon pantyhoses, and wigs in order to alter her appearance. She created this because she wanted women to feel like she didn't always have to be perfect and that they are beautiful no matter what. The next slide is on untitled facial hair transplant. This was her third piece she created. She used her hair and glued it onto her face. The reason why she did this was because it was an effort to question gender constructions and stereotypes of what looks are inherently male or female. This next slide is on her piece called Silhouette. This piece was done in 1973 after her previous ones. The name Silhouette means silhouette. She created this piece by fusing her interests in Afro-Cuban ritual and the pantheistic Santeria religion with contemporary practices such as earthworks, body art, and performance art. The figure was placed onto the earth with arms overhead to represent the merger of earth and sky, floating in water to symbolize the minimal space between land and sea, or with arms raised and legs together to signify a wandering soul. This last slide is about the recognition of Mendieta. So this was the first and largest full-scale museum exhibition in the United States devoted to Mendieta's film works. Thanks to Howard Aronsky and Lynn Lucas, they were able to organize the art exhibit and bring Mendieta and her art back to life again. Not only did they have all of Mendieta's images, but her films, and they were also able to rediscover and restore 140 of them. And then this last slide are all of my sources that I were able to use in order to do more research and learn more about Mendieta's life. But thanks so much for listening and have a good day.